If you want to create AI songs, voiceovers, or covers in just seconds, you need to see this. TopMediai is an all-in-one AI media tool. You can generate full songs from text, clone voices, change your voice, and make viral AI covers without any studio or editing skills. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and the best part, everything you create can be used for content, clients, or social media, with royalty-free usage on paid plans. Now let me show you how to get your discount. First, pause the video and open the description below. You'll see a link that says, Top Media iOfficial link plus discount. Tap that link. It will take you directly to the TopMediai website. Create your free account or sign in. Now, go to the pricing or upgrade page to choose your plan. In the description, you'll also find your invitation code. Copy that invite code exactly as it appears. On the checkout or sign-up page, look for a box that says invitation code or referral code. Paste the code there, click apply, and you'll instantly unlock the invited user discount. Next, below the invite code in the description, you'll see a coupon code for extra savings. Copy that coupon code. At payment, find the field that says coupon code or promo code, paste the coupon, and hit apply. You'll see your price drop again. Invitation discount plus extra coupon discount. Click pay and enjoy TopMediai with maximum savings.